Hi, this is Tony. I'm gonna quickly show you in a very quick steps how to install the OctoPrint on your Raspberry Pi. I will add the link from Jim of the Edge of Tech. He has a very nice manual. So okay, the fruits are on the table. All we need for a healthy dinner is to add some fish. So let's get started with OctoPrint. Well, that looks all nice and sweet. I also bought some cooling, which I will stick on it. Okay, that's done. To the OctoPrint website, we go to the download and we download our file. We need to unpack this and later flash it to a flash drive, and we can do that with Etcher. So we download and install this, and then we put that unpacked image on the SD card. Okay, having installed that, we select the flash ROM file. We look where we unpacked our image, select that, open, check if this is the SD card you want to flash it to. Be sure, well, I'm sure, and then we flash it. This could take a while. Okay, after it's flashed, you can open the SD card and you find this file and you edit it with Notepad Plus, and you put there your Wi-Fi settings, and you can do that here. So it connects to the Wi-Fi network. With OctoPrint, OctoPi, you can control your 3D printer remotely via web interface using your Raspberry Pi. I would say it's almost a need. Even the slicer, like the Cura slicer, has even a plugin that you can directly print it to your OctoPrint. So yeah, it's a need. You can add the camera, it will make snapshots. If you configure your router smart enough, you can even access it from outside your house. So yeah, I will say it's a need to do this. Yeah, and the most important, you don't need to disc jockey with your SD cards from your printer to your computer and the other way around. So let's do this. All the useful links are in the bottom. And thanks again to Jim from the Edge of Tech for this nice manual. And thank you for watching.